This is Meteorologist Matthew East, and thanks for clicking onto the Monday edition of the Tropical Weather Video. There is a look at what's left of Kyle. Kyle, now a non-tropical low pressure there over southeastern sections of Canada, and lifting northward. Caused some breezy conditions, certainly across the New England states and into the Canadian Maritimes over the weekend, but Kyle now just really a non-tropical type of low pressure, sort of racing now off to the north and northeast. Now, this is a close-up inspection of newly formed subtropical storm Laura. Now, that subtropical designation simply meaning this does not have all of the classic characteristics of a tropical system. It's not really warm core in nature right now. As I'm cutting this video, more of a cold core type of system. But it could transition over to a tropical storm, and if that convective banding keeps occurring today, we might even see this trying to make a run at becoming a hurricane. This is way over the North Atlantic Ocean. This is the GFS model valid at 8 o'clock in the evening, coming up tomorrow evening, Tuesday evening. This is subtropical storm Laura out in the North Atlantic Ocean. And notice this big trough swinging into the eastern part of the country. That is going to pick up Laura and turn it off to the north and northeast. This will not have an opportunity to move back westward toward the United States. There's a spread in the computer model guidance, and notice it is pretty unanimous that this is going to get turned off to the north and eventually northeast. So Laura, not a huge factor at all for North America. Down to the Gulf of Mexico, the Caribbean Sea, not a whole lot going on this morning. Same story out in the Atlantic Ocean. A couple tropical waves out there, certainly nothing overly impressive to speak of. And again, there's the big view across the western Atlantic. That is our subtropical storm Laura, way off in the northern part of the Atlantic Ocean. By the way, there's the official Hurricane Center track for Laura, right over the North Atlantic, over progressively colder waters as we get toward mid and late week. And peering into some of the model data, we do have several computer models trying to pick up on some type of development later on in the week in the western Caribbean Sea. We'll see if that occurs. We'll have another big area of high pressure trying to move into the eastern part of the country with time. And again, you have to watch underneath those highs and ridges for tropical development, so we'll see if that does indeed occur later in the week. Reminders, Matthew.East at news14.com is the way to drop me an email. News 14 Carolina, Time Warner Cable Channel 14 in the Charlotte, Triad, Triangle, and Wilmington, Morehead City television markets, and on the web at www.news14.com. Thanks for clicking onto this Monday edition of the Tropical Weather Video. Everyone have a great Monday, and God bless.